Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Meta Quest 3s. First, carefully unbox your new headset and verify that all components, including the headset, controllers, and charging accessories, are present. Next, connect the headset to a power source using the included charging cable and adapter. Allow it to charge for at least 2 hours for optimal performance. Once charged, press and hold the power button on the side of the headset for about 2 seconds until it powers on. Now, let's get your controllers ready and ensure a comfortable fit. Each Meta Touch Plus controller requires one AA battery. Simply open the battery compartment and insert it. The controllers should automatically pair with your headset once both are powered on. For comfort, adjust the top strap to balance the headset's weight, then tighten the side straps until the display is clear and the headset feels secure on your head. Next, you will need your smartphone to complete the software setup. Download the Meta Quest mobile application from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and either log in to your existing Meta account or create a new one if you do not have one yet. The app will then guide you through a simple process to wirelessly pair your Meta Quest 3's headset, typically involving a 5-digit code displayed in your headset. Finally, it is time to set up your Guardian boundary, which is crucial for safety. You will be prompted to define your play space, either as a stationary boundary for seated or standing experiences or a room-scale boundary for moving around. Follow the on-screen prompts to trace your safe area. After setting Guardian, complete the brief introductory tutorial. It will teach you essential navigation, controller interactions, and how to access your first virtual reality experiences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.